Hey there, Nocturnes! Welcome back to English Me, dito sa Nocturnal Sage, a guide for those left in the dark. Kung nga pala ulit, si Kuya N, ang inyong class president. So, nung nakaraang meeting with Sir Jeremy, diniscuss natin ang tungkol sa reaction paper. Diba? Natutunan natin ang pagkakaiba ng fact sa opinion. Yung fact, yun yung totoo, yung opinion, yan yung saloobin mo sa isang bagay. Pero sa reaction paper, kailangan natin yung dalawa kasi ang thesis statement sa isang reaction paper ay ang opinion, yung saloobin mo. Tapos yung facts, yan yung suporta mo para mapatunayan na pwede maging tama yung iyong opinion. At malay mo, mapa-agree mo pa yung mga nagbabasa ng iyong reaction paper. So kuwari, kung movie ito, sinabi mo na maganda, ano ba yung pweba mo na upang sabihin na maganda? Yan yung talaga yan yung basics kumbaga ng reaction paper. Bukod doon, diniscuss natin ang primary and secondary sources at iniwan kayo na isang tanong ni Sir Jeremy. Alin ang dapat na mas makita sa reaction paper? Ang primary ba o secondary sources? Ang sagot doon ay primary sources. Secondary sources kaya nga secondary. Dapat pangalawa lang yan sa pinakamaraming sources na ginamit mo. Dahil yung paper sa'yo yan, hindi yan collection lamang ng mga gawa ng mga iba. So dapat yung ipakita mo dyan, yung saloobin mo, yung talagang naiisip mo at hindi yung sinabi na ng iba. Sa kaplahiyo yan, tandaan nyo. Alam nyo naman, yung parusa sa plagiarism, di ba? So ngayon, didiscuss naman natin kung paano natin i-express ang ating mga opinion sa kahit anong sitwasyon. Minsan, kailangan natin ibahin yung word choices natin kapag nasa, let's say, nagpapahayag tayo ng opinion sa isang research conference. Pero kung, let's say, sa pangkaraniwang setup, kagaya na nito, di kailangan bang maging formal, yung parang nasa dinner party ka. So, yung mga tanong na yon ang sasagutin sa lecture ngayon ni Sir Jeremy ang tungkol sa dimensions of register. Makinig kayo maigi kasi yung dimensions of register talagang makakatulong yan sa kung paano nyo aatakihin yung isang problema o topic sa pagsulat nyo ng reaction paper. Kaya ano pa hinihintay nyo, Nocturnes? Samahan nyo na ako sa ating classroom. Oh, English me, oh, English me. Gusto kong matuto ng Ingles pero hindi alam kung paano. Welcome back, class. Whoa, I like my new space, don't you? For tonight, we shall discuss how you can express your opinions effectively. Make others believe you, even if what you are trying to say in your paper, well, can be criticized. But anyway, there's a way to emerge victorious amidst such setback. Aside from citing facts, we can express our opinions more convincingly by using language creatively. What do we mean by creatively? You don't just write for the sake of writing, but you put together words in a unique order, something that's unique to your personality, your style, your beliefs as the author of your reaction paper. And one concrete way of doing so is to vary our sentence structures and vocabulary depending on the context. Now, I'm not saying that you should write like a poet. You don't have to use figures of speech in writing reaction papers. Again, this is not a literary course. This is an academic course. General academic texts are the ones that we're producing and reading, not the literary ones. Just to be clear of the distinction, this is not a repetition of your 21st century literature class. This is Engel Pro, or English for academic and professional purposes. So we're dealing with prose here. Now, when we say vary our sentence structures and vocabulary, we have to be sensitive enough to the need to change our register if need be. For example, if you're talking about the cinematography of any movie, you have to use technical terms related to filmmaking like mise en scène. And register helps us know which terms or jargons we need to use in a certain paper. So that's why we study jargons. They help us know how to sound relatable to a specific group of audiences. Again, depending on the recipient of your paper, you'd have to adjust your register accordingly. If you want people not to put your paper down, okay, just when they're about to finish reading the introduction, that's a humiliation, right? So register or style changes according to who you're with and what role you're playing. So it's more on the artful theory of communication now. We have the first dimension of register. Okay, in knowing how to change a register, we have to know the aspects of it. First is the field. It is the one that focuses on the use of jargons. So we have to know which field are we speaking on. Is it cinematography? Is it engineering? Is it home economics, etc.? Tenor is the relationship that you have with your readers. You're the writer, right? So who are you addressing? Are they movie enthusiasts, average moviegoers? Are they scholars who are pursuing media studies in college? You have to know them. And lastly is the mode. Are you delivering it in a spoken or written way? So here are examples. So if the field is linguistics, which is the systematic study of language or language science, and your tenor is professional and the mode is written, then this statement is very much acceptable. The syntax of the English language is flexible. This factor is the impetus for making it the international language. So you see, assess the level of formality here. Justified, right? Based on the field, the tenor, and the mode. Now, what if you're writing to a classmate who missed a lesson in linguistics? Same field, linguistics still, but the tenor now is casual because do you need to sound formal with your best friend whom you've known for plus 5 years? And the mode is spoken, so you'd probably want to make your statements shorter. So instead of syntax, we use grammar. English grammar is so easy. That is why many people around the world use it. So get the big difference here? I want you, as for your homework, to comment down below any hypothetical situation. You may assign yourselves a certain field, your tenor, and the mode that you're going to use. You can relate it to which strand you're part of. Since you're in senior high, you have your own respective strand. Now, in the comment section below, write down a hypothetical, okay? Imagined a tenor and mode. And then for the field, make it your own field, your strand. So if you're part of ABM, then make it ABM sounding. Now, in the next episode, we're still on reaction papers, but we will discuss another aspect of it. So continue surviving in the dark until the next class. Oh English me, oh English me, gusto kong matuto ng Ingles pero hindi alam kung paano. Sino ang magtuturo? Gusto kong matuto na talaga. Oh English me. Word of the night. Ruminate. Verb. Ang first three na makapag-comment sa baba ng meaning at ng kanyang original sentence ay magkakaroon ng special mention sa susunod na episode. Kaya ano pa hinihintay nyo, Nocters? Mag-comment na kayo sa baba bago mag-Friday para masama ang iyong post sa susunod na edit. Kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video na ito, i-like nyo lang. Saka kung may mga katanungan kayo or suggestions, mag-comment lang kayo. Tapos,
i-share nyo naman to sa mga kakilala ninyong senior high na mag-take ng English for academic and professional purposes sa darating na pasukan. Alam nyo naman sa panahon ngayon, kanya-kanya ng diskarte kung paano makakuha ng reference materials. At least ito, basta meron ka lang pang internet, napanood mo na, na-consume mo na. Mag-join din kayo sa ating private Facebook group. Ang tawag doon ay Nocturne Space, yung link nasa baba. Kung kailangan ninyo ng support group, kung nahihiya kayo mag-suggest ng mga topics sa baba o mag-voice out ng inyong mga sarili kasi nga naka-public yung comment section, meron kayong matatagpuan na haven. Ligtas kayo doon, kaya ako sinabing haven yon. Dahil kasama ninyo ang mga kagaya ninyong mag-isip kagaya ni Sir Jeremy. At mapag-uusapan natin doon ang mga bagay na nahihiya kayong pag-usapan sa inyong mga kapamilya, kaibigan, at ano pa, at kung sino pa, pasensya na. Kasi kakaiba kayo mag-isip at pwede yung mga topics na gusto nyo pag-usapan ay hindi na mainteresado sa mas nakararaming member na ating lipunan, at least sa Nocturne Space. Kaya nga Nocturne, panggabi tayo, at yung mga miyembro ng mga makagabi or nocturnal ay kakaunting lamang kagaya natin. So kung ikaw ay ganong klaseng tao, you've made the right decision para i-patronize yung channel na ito. At higit sa lahat, mag-subscribe kayo at itap yung notification bell para hindi kayo mahuli sa mga susunod naming updates. Bagong release na episodes ay every Tuesday at 8 PM. Ang Nocturnal Sage ay nakafocus sa 4 na larangan. Una, self-conquest. Tungkol ito sa pagpoproseso ng mga negatibo emosyon kagaya ng anxiety, pangangamba, galit at iba pa. Sunod ay communication. Isa na yan ang English Me na nasa ilalim ng umbrella ng communication. At bukod doon, pwede pa natin pag-usapan yung tungkol sa pagsasalita, paano mag-develop ng self-confidence kapag nagsasalita sa harapan ng marami. At hindi lang limitado sa pagsulat at pagbasa ng English. Basta pagsasalita, mapa-English yan o mapa-Filipino. Pangatlo ay leadership. Kung ikaw ay bagong halal na student council officer, or kung ikaw ay isang professional na tapos bago kang promote at gusto mong matutunan yung basics ng paghawak ng tao, tama yung channel na ito para sa iyo kasi forte ni Sir Jeremy ang leadership and management. At panghuli ay expansion. Kung gusto mong lumago sa iyong ginagawa araw-araw, kahit hindi yung may kilalaman sa trabaho kung saan ikaw ay binabayaran, basta kung gusto mong magkaroon ng isang makadama na isang mas mataas na yugto ng tagumpay sa buhay, at yung tagumpay na yun ay hindi mo siya makakamtan sa pagkakaroon ng mas maraming pera, kasi ang pera naman ay hindi naman panghabang buhay. Kaya yung expansion ay para yan sa mga naghahanap ng mga siguro kasanayan o paraan para masabing sila'y nagtagumpay. At ang inyong pagsuporta sa channel na to ay makakatulong sa pagpapalawak ng mga playlist at saka mga content na na-enjoy nyo, at mas gagawin pa enjoyable kapag ipapakita nyo yung pagmamahal sa Nocturnal Sage. Salamat muli sa panonood. Ako ulit si Kuya N. Kita-kits sa susunod na episode ng English Me dito sa Nocturnal Sage, a guide for those left in the dark.